first trade I took is put option. I took this put option at this side because Bank Nifty was in a range, so I was waiting it for breakout, and it got failed, and I got a loss of 500 rupees. And another put option I took, and that is 3000 loss, and I took it from here. It was making W pattern, that's why I entered here, but it also failed. And finally I waited almost 12:45, and after 12:45 I took a call option trade from here, because Bank Nifty was in the range. This is a channel. I took the trade here. I made a profit of 11,000, but my MTM is 8,000 only. So I exited here, and I did not re-enter, because after 1 o'clock I close my trade and go to office. That's all guys. Thank you for watching.